Hey, to open recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first of all, you will have to turn off your phone. So for example, you can click and hold the power button. If it doesn't work, you can also open the quick settings. Click on the power off. Just turn off this phone. And now we have to wait for a few seconds until the device will be completely turned off. And now we'll have to use the two buttons combination. We have to use the power button and the volume up button and the power button. So first, click and hold the volume up button and then click and hold power button. And keep holding the power button until you see the Samsung logo. And now we can release the power button and keep holding the volume up. Now after a few seconds, you can find that we are in the recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.